In today's video, we want to discuss on the natural remedy to curing high blood pressure. We'll be looking at how to treat high blood pressure using aloe vera solution. I expect that you follow all these steps appropriately as I'll be listing them out for you. Step number 1. Boil a good number of avocado pear leaves with a very clean water. Step number 2. When properly boiled, extract the water into a clean container. Step number 3. Get fresh aloe vera plants or leaves and wash thoroughly. Step number 4. Chop the aloe vera plant into smaller pieces. Step number 5. Finally, soak the chopped aloe vera inside the water that is gotten from the boiled pear leaves for a complete 24 hours. The dosage: take 1 glass twice daily for complete 1 week. After you must have done all of these steps, go for a high blood pressure check in the nearest hospital around your locality. Do well to check the description of this video. There are vital information that you can't afford to miss. Thank you for watching today's video. Do well to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. I would see you in the next video.